Hi, my name is Evan Moore, and I've been in the moving industry for more than 10 years. Today, we're going to talk about full-service moving, specifically from Portland down to the Bay Area, California. If you're looking at full service, that's going to include the drive time, the loading time, and the unloading time to get you to a total cost. We're looking at roughly 10 hours of drive time from the Portland area down to the Bay Area. And that's roughly $1,760 alone for that outbound drive time. Now, for 10 hours there, 10 hours back, and roughly 5 hours of labor, we're looking at 25 hours total at that $176 an hour rate. We're looking at more than a $5,800 move. This is extremely expensive and maybe not your best option. So let's talk about what some of those different options are. Now, you do have, again, the full service move. Additionally, we have pod moves and we have trailer moves. So when we're talking about a pod or a container, what we're referring to is a company that will come out and drop a container at your house that you can then load and have delivered to your new address. So where you're going to see some benefits to doing that is that you have a lot more control of your shipment. A, you can load your own items if you want. And B, once they get to that unload point, again, you have control over what's going on. You can have guys come out to unload just your heavy items perhaps. Well, you stick around and say, let's leave the boxes in the pod and give me some more time and I can get them out on my own pace. What that's going to do is it's going to allow you to pay for less on the end of labor or your labor help. It's additionally going to save you the cost of the drive time both there and back from the Portland to the Bay Area. You're saving a pretty chunk of change by not paying those movers to do that drive for you. So while we're discussing quotes, let's get on the phone with Pods, give them a call, and see what their idea of a quote is going to be for the Portland area down to the Bay Area.
Thank you for calling Pods Moving and Storage. We know your needs are unique. Please press 1. If you are calling for English, press 1. For customer service needs on an existing order, press 2.
Hello, thank you for calling Pods. This is Jay, and whom do I have a pleasure of speaking with today?
Hey, my name is Evan.
Hi, Evan. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm just looking for a quote today. I'm trying to get a pod to ship my stuff from the Portland metro area down to the Bay Area, California.
Sure. So you have three options, the 26th, the 27th, or the 29th.
Let's go with the 26th. This is the earliest, cheapest option, right?
And based on everything you have told me, I would highly recommend the 116-foot size container or one large container. The complete dimension of that, it's 16 foot long by 8 foot wide by 8 foot tall. 16 by 8 by 8. That container could hold 1,000 square footage of your home to 1,200, 2 to 3 bedrooms of your home. So the grand total is $2,184.22 after that.
So as you can tell, talking to Pods, we're looking at roughly $2,200 for the total cost estimated for the pod. Again, that is not including the labor for loading or unloading that pod, just for getting it delivered to the starting location and then delivered to your drop-off. Now, instead of calling these other companies that we've mentioned, PackRat, Zippy, UPack, we can go ahead and talk about the average cost for those places. So when we're referring to PackRat, it's roughly $1,270. Zippy's roughly $1,206. And UPack is roughly $1,348. So what you're seeing is, on average, somewhere around $1,200 to $1,300 for a container, whereas Pods is a little bit on the higher end. But they're a more nationally known company, and some people feel more comfortable with that option. So we've talked about containers and we've talked about full service moving, but let's talk about our third option, which is an ABF trailer or an Amazon trailer. These are a trailer that's going to come to your location and it's going to be loaded with your items. Now, a lot of the times you're going to be sharing this trailer with other customers. So what happens is a shipment can take anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks to get to your final destination. Now, when dealing with an ABF trailer, for a 2-bedroom home, you're going to be allocated about 15 feet. Again, that's 15 feet back in the trailer. We are looking at roughly $1,900. And if you have to go over those 15 square feet into another foot or two, it's about $69 per an additional square foot. There are a few differences in what you're going to receive when you're getting a trailer versus a container. A trailer is going to have an average height of somewhere around 12 to 14 feet on the inside, whereas a pod is only going to go up to 8 feet. So you're going to have that same length of 15 feet, but you're going to have roughly 40 to 60% more storage overhead compared to what you would have in a storage container or a pod. Now, there are some challenges when you are looking at loading an ABF trailer. We highly recommend that you do hire movers if that's going to be the option that you choose, simply because there are some tasks that may be a bit difficult or a bit foreign, including opening up heavy doors, setting up the ramps, and one that really gets people a lot is going to be setting up the bulkhead. So, like I mentioned before, you're going to be in the back of a trailer with someone else's shipment potentially. And so what you have to do is put up bars and plywood or whatever you have to separate your shipment from somebody else's. That way there's no overflow or mix-up of items being shipped. And again, that can get really difficult. So we do recommend that you have somebody come out to help with that. Now, additionally, we do recommend that you hire somebody for the offload as well. Because what you're looking at with a container is ample time to get it empty. You can go on your own schedule. But with this trailer, you're going to have a delivery driver who's on a schedule, needs to get to his next drop-off, and is only going to give you a limited window of 1 day to get your stuff unloaded. And sometimes you don't even have the full day. So you need to be really cognizant of how long that trailer is going to be available for you to unload it. So let's talk about our final option. It's going to be renting a truck and driving it yourself. Now, there are some benefits to renting your own truck. What I can't do is guarantee any prices because every rental company is going to be slightly different. So by renting your own truck, you're giving yourself, that control factor. You're already going to have to be driving down, from PDX to California. So why not tow your own vehicle? Why not take your own stuff? Again, what you're looking at doing there is not paying movers and not paying another company to drive it. So we had a recent experience where we had to rent a truck to take it down to a pretty similar location, and we were looking at about $700 one direction. So if you're looking at, again, going from PDX to the Bay Area, you're not going to be having to drive that truck back. You're going to be picking it up for a flat rate fee, paying for things like insurance, mileage, and then additionally, dropping that truck off where you go and leaving it there. So there's a lot of headaches saved and potentially a lot of money. Yeah. Keep in mind, if you're renting a truck, you're going to have to pay for your own gas, and that's roughly $300 to $400 from Portland to San Jose. So at the end of the day, if you're renting a truck, we highly recommend that you hire professional movers to come handle the packing and loading of that truck, as well as the unloading on the other end. Now, if you need us to come out and load up your truck, or load up your container, or load up your trailer for that matter, you can hire us for as low as $62 per mover per an hour, Tuesday through Saturday. The rate does not change. We would love to come out and load your truck for you. I want to wish you the best of luck with your out-of-state move. And if you're looking for any help, give us a call. We would absolutely love to come out and professionally pack your truck and put your mind at ease.